This is Bedminster Mayor Larry Jacobs. On Thursday, March 26, Bedminster Township was notified of the death of a resident who had tested positive for COVID-19. The Somerset County Department of Health confirmed the resident was in their 60s. Bedminster Township has no other information regarding this resident. This fatality is not just a statistic, but rather a member of the Bedminster community. On behalf of the township, I express our deepest condolences to the family and loved ones of the resident who died. As of Sunday, March 29, there are 7 reported cases of COVID-19 in Bedminster. Our public health experts suspect that the actual numbers is significantly higher than that. COVID-19 is spreading in the community, and additional cases will continue to be identified. It is affecting all age groups, and no one is immune to the virus. Nearly 80% of those infected with COVID-19 will be asymptomatic or experience only mild symptoms. However, even those people can still transmit the virus, which makes controlling it so difficult and so important. The only weapon we have to slow the spread of the virus is social distancing. We must work together to slow it down and flatten the curve before our healthcare system is overwhelmed. We know this is difficult for our residents. The Bedminster Township Committee and staff have assembled a resource guide of important information: hours for shopping, grocery, delivery services, state and federal resources on unemployment and small businesses, and the phone numbers for mental health hotlines if you need to talk to someone. There's much more additional information on the resource guide, and we do ask that you all look at it and use it as a clearinghouse for the important information you may need at this time. The resource guide is available at the Bedminster Township website and on the Bedminster Facebook page. The resource guide is updated often, sometimes several times a day. Please review it, and if you have any recommendations or additional information that you want to see, call or email the town at info@bedminster.us. So, what can you do to help? First and foremost, just stay home. If you need to go out, then practice social distancing, maintaining or increasing the distance between you and all the other folks around you. Try to keep it at a minimum 6 feet apart or about 2 arms length. Wash your hands frequently with soap and water. If you are looking to go outside and need a break, know that our playgrounds are closed, but our trails are open. So if you need to go out for a walk, go to the hike and bike. It's out there and available, but once again, please maintain social distancing during your walks. Also, please check in with your family, your friends, and your neighbors. A phone call and the sound of a comforting voice is very important at this time. In the meantime, know that the Bedminster Township Committee and staff are working for you. While the offices are closed to the public, staff is still working to take care of your needs, not just now, but also for when we emerge from this crisis. Good night, and once again, this is Bedminster Mayor Larry Jacobs.